Hello friends, after a long time I'm recording this video. I just want to show that few people's having a doubt like how is the accuracy and what is the status of my analysis, and just want to show you the WhatsApp group where I used to send messages to my clients. Okay, so these are some updates where we have done, and here you can see this. On 15th March, we had a nifty breakout, 15 minutes breakout strategy, and you can see the time at 9:42 we given a buy in nifty, and along with that I'll show you the chart. This was the bank nifty graph. We can see this 15-minute breakout strategy here, 15 minutes breakout again for this on 15th March, and today it went up to 70 points from buy levels. This is the power of our analysis. You can see this. Okay, this was on 15th March. Same message I have sent here. 15th March. Okay, 15th March 2019 now. Okay, apart from that, silver we had a sell levels, crude oil position sell we had, copper sell we had, natural gas buy call was there, and natural gas stop loss got triggered. Within half an hour, natural gas stop loss was triggered, and many people ask me like what is the accuracy, why you give calls to others, but thing what I want to say you is I don't always give a call for subscription charges or something like that. I used to do my own trading, so I just want to show that my share my the day's profit of bank nifty around 2 lakh profit, and this was my transactions. You can see this all the things I have bought call options. Okay, 26, 29, 300, 29, 400, 29, 600. Okay, only one put option was there, and apart from that everything was only call. So in that I have done a booked profit of 2,49,000, and I just want to show you that why I have booked the profit, because the same day we had a buy in, you can see this 15th, sorry, yeah, this was a call, 15 minutes breakout strategy on 15th December. You can see the date. Okay, this is how it works, and after that silver, crude, everything came down. Okay, here is a message. Today my profit in bank nifty 2 lakh 2.5, and this is the power of analysis. Okay, I do my trade and I'm happy with my trading, and I just want to show my success, and those who really lost money in market, they can just contact me and understand the strategy, and they can work with that. They can just try to learn the things, and they can gain some confidence in market. Okay, and copper, you can see this 4.5 points down, 3.2 points down more, and this was some messages. Crude oil and copper, silver, everything came down. And apart from this, I just want to show you previous charts in nifty, what actually it has been performed, and just show you some previous data. Okay, let us come with the last 4-5 days data. This was on 11th March. You can see this 15-minute breakout strategy was there on 11th March. As soon as 15-minute breakout we had buy activated, and from there 85 points went up bank nifty. But again on next day, that is on this was on 11th, after 12th, you can see this 12th what it has been happened. 12th again it went up. This was 11th data. Okay, from overall from buying levels it went up to next day itself it had 420 points, and overall it went up to 1430 points bank nifty up from our buying levels. So this was the calculations. Okay, you can search this, you can just find out these calculations over here. One moment. Log. Okay, here you can find out the things. I'll just go from the past data. Okay, 11th March. You can see this. You can just see the lines. Blue line above it was a buy, and it tried to sustain above the blue lines for that the whole day. And for next day, you can see this on 12th. Again, that day it was like strategy and same day again. Bank Nifty went up 275 points up from buy levels. This was on 12th. And let's see on 13th. 13th we had a sell levels. Okay, buying was there, but it was not activated. Whereas in sell levels, stop loss got triggered. Stop loss triggered here, and it was just a risk of 86 points. Okay, in a day we used to trade only one or two trades. For that day, we lost on Bank Nifty of 86 points, and later again on, whenever you make a loss one day, the chances are there next day we may get a confirm levels. So you can see this on 14th March what it has happened. Sell at 29,044, and it came down up to 28,820. So 222 points it came down from today's selling levels. So here you can see this 222 points gain from Bank Nifty today, and remember yesterday clearly told tomorrow we'll get a good chance. As we have lost on 13th, you can see this message here. You can just read out here. 13 magnitude stop loss got triggered after 86 points. So it will also clear that we can get a sure call for tomorrow. Let's see what happens on 14th. 14th you can see this. This was the update. 14th the Bank Nifty from selling levels it came up to 222 points. So what next on 15th? So on 15th again we had a buy levels. Breakout buy, and that day it went up. It went up to 270 points. Bank Nifty 270 point up from buy levels. You can see this. Okay, it went up to 29,155 115. Okay, so this is how it works, and I'm just trying to give a back test the data so that you may get a confidence. And if you sure, I mean, if you have a something strategy like this, you can just share with me. And this was my uh, small report on Bank Nifty for the last few days. And if you want to see the previous data, you can just visit my site www.researchtradeprofit.com/blog. You can just type that, and for particular individual scripts, you can just search with the different URL research@profit.com/category/bank nifty. Here you will find all the previous day-to-day levels with the chart, and I hope you will get good confidence after seeing this video on trading. Definitely we can make money in market only when we have a proper confidence and proper knowledge of intent exit levels. For most visits, you can just contact me on my WhatsApp number. Below this video, we will put a description of my contact number. It's 8553029884. Anytime you can just contact me, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great trading sessions every day, and hope you'll got some idea how I used to do my own trading. And if you have any doubts, you can just contact me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.